What's going on here?
Yeah, we're in acting class, and we've chosen political speeches that we admire, and we've taken them to the park to give to the public. And practice just spreading the word.
Reports coming out of China. This is highly concerning. The disease may still be infectious.
Words that we find passionate and powerful. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And what comes to your mind if I say what would you say men are better at than women?
I don't know. A lot. I think both have their pluses and minuses. I think men are better at
It's like muscle stuff. Usually we're pretty good at muscles.
muscle stuff.
You know, like strength.
Sure.
That's an easy one. That's a go-to one.
Oh, I think women are good at that too. Yeah.
But like as a tendency, generally speaking, you know, women are more connected to the emotions, but men are usually a little bit more muscly. You know.
I think that's been the stereotype, but I think that's definitely changing, you know?
Think women genetically are catching up to men in strength?
Yeah, I think the emphasis on men having to be so strong and like that sort of stereotype, I think that's going down. I think women are just as strong as men. I don't
Physically?
Yeah, I do.
And how about some bubbles of pure madness? This party never stops. Time is dead and meaning has no meaning. Existence is upside down and I reign supreme. Welcome one and all to Weird Beginning.
But they're not though, right? They're not. Like, look at this. I'm a normal dude. Look at. Look at my size. I'm just bigger, right? So I'm gonna have more muscle. That's a normal. We just have differences, and that's what we're just exploring, you know. We're only talking about physical strength. We're not talking like overall strength or goodness or any of those things. Just physically. That's all it was.
Yeah, I think I get that. But I'm just questioning if there's another word that might, you know, make it easier for people to say yes or no to that, you know?
don't know. What's another good word for strong?
No, that's what I'm proposing is
They've ripped us out of a world of order and reason. They've thrown us into a chaos of class warfare, irrational urges, relativity, into a world where now the very existence of matter and meaning is in question. Why?
because you don't want to go towards I don't want to go towards the like hyper masculinity and like feed into that sort of like, box that men are put in, and there's a box women are put in, and so I think it's a challenging time to be like, what, Yeah, I think that everyone's different. I think, yeah. Yeah.
Do you?
Do I think everybody's different?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Do you guys want to come talk to us? Anything else?
No, I think that's it. Yeah.